Hi there! Getting started on a new website project is exciting. However, if the website is accessible to everyone from the beginning, it can lead to complications, and search engines may start indexing and scoring the site. Elementor Hosting, by default, applies the site lock feature that requires entering a PIN code to view the website, which can be removed when we're ready to launch our site. This provides an additional layer of security and also prevents search engines from discovering our site so that SEO scores aren't negatively impacted unnecessarily. Let's see how we can use Site Lock with Elementor Hosting. To access our Site Lock settings, go to the Elementor dashboard and find the website we want to manage. At the bottom of the card, we can see that Site Lock is on. Click to manage this website and scroll down to the Site Lock section. Let's have a look at what we have here. We can toggle the site lock on or off according to our preference. Under PIN code, we can click on the eye icon to view the default code and copy it to share with anyone we wish to grant access to view our site. There's also an option to reset the passcode. And by confirming the reset, a new PIN code will be generated for us. When we are ready to go live and make our site discoverable, simply remove the site lock so potential visitors can see it without having to enter a PIN code. Note that to ensure search engines can fully crawl our website, we need to take an additional step. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Settings and then Reading. From there, we need to uncheck the option that says Discourage search engines from indexing this site. This will enable search engines to effectively index and include our website in their search results. And there we have it. Elementor Hosting Site Lock tool gives us control over who can access and explore our website, making sure our site remains private and search engines won't affect our SEO scores negatively unnecessarily while we work on it. Happy locking, or unlocking for that matter.